Upgrade your deck railings to meet modern code and style for safety, durability, and curb appeal. When planning a deck railing upgrade during new home construction, focus on materials, measurements, and installation sequencing to avoid rework. Choose metal balusters or stainless steel cable rail for long life and minimal maintenance, and select stainless or composite mounting hardware to prevent galvanic corrosion where different metals meet. If unobstructed views are a priority, install tempered glass panels in a framed or channel system, and specify laminated glass only where impact resistance is required. Verify railing height at the design stage and measure from the finished deck surface to the top of the handrail so posts are cut correctly. Most jurisdictions require handrail height to be between 34 inches and 38 inches, but confirm your local code. Check baluster spacing by measuring the clear opening to ensure a 4-inch sphere cannot pass through any gap, and detail that on shop drawings for the fabricator. Add integrated low-voltage LED handrail lighting wired to a dedicated circuit and routed through handrail cavities to avoid surface raceways and maintain a clean look. Homeowners and contractors commonly undermeasure, resulting in non-compliant heights, so always mock up a post and top rail on site before final cuts to confirm dimensions. Another frequent issue is mixing dissimilar metals, which leads to corrosion. Mitigate this by specifying compatible metals or isolating connections with non-conductive gaskets and fasteners. A third problem is inadequate fastening into the deck structure. To address this, by locating and reinforcing ledger and post framing with blocking and through bolts sized to the loads shown in the plans, and by using stainless steel hardware in coastal environments. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work related to deck upgrades and other home projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where professionals and homeowners exchange tips, product experiences, and installation details.